You guys want to see the shedding? You want to see the shedding from my hair wash last night? Let me show you. Hey y'all, it's me, Danielle. How y'all doing? Last night is when I did my haircut, so this is the next day. So that would be the video before this. After I cut my hair, I had to take a shower, or I had to wash my hair again to make sure all of the cut hair was removed and all the hair was off of me. So I did it in the shower and everything. And so I washed my hair probably sooner than I usually would. So last time I washed my hair was probably about 5 days ago. And so I washed my hair again last night. Very easy to wash. I did my same Do Grow shampoo and conditioner, and I use a moisturizing conditioner. And I use a moisturizing shampoo in between the Do Grow shampoo and conditioner, because the Do Grow does have sulfates in it. But anyway, long story short, I washed my hair last night, and you guys want to see the shedding? You want to see the shedding from my hair wash last night? Let me show you. It's nothing. I did not shed. I'm so lame. But I didn't shed. My hair didn't shed. Like, the amount of hair that I shed, I think, what? Is this it? This? I don't know. Does that count? That may be the hair I shed. I don't know. It's probably have a lot to do with my big chop. Or my haircut, I should say. So, I did all of that late last night. And so this is the hairstyle that I am currently working on, that I'm going to finish on camera. But basically I picked up where I left off before I decided to cut my hair, is put it in 2-strand twists. So these are my 2-strand twists. Still have a lot of length. I have some spring to my hair. Like, it's got elasticity to it. Didn't have that before. Before it was just like raggedy. So I did all of the back, and I'm about to finish up the front. Now the front, because I did more so a haircut than like a big chop where I cut off all the damage, I do still have, like, you know, differently textured hair in the front. I really could wear my hair like this, like these knots. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do some type of 2-strand flat twist. But last night all I did was grease my scalp and moisturize and grease my hair. I do put grease on my hair. But so my hair is still wet. My hair does not dry overnight, but the roots of my hair is looking regular. It's just the ends are just looking different. So I think I'm going to do 2-strand flat twists, side part type of thing. And yeah, so if you want to watch me do that, continue to watch, because I'm about to jump right into it. Don't you see the silver? Okay, I had to change out my SD card, but I didn't want to stop twisting my hair. So basically, I did 2-strand flat twists going downward. Very short row. That's to create a part, and I'm going to do the opposite on this side. But before I do that, I want to twist my hair up. This section of my hair, and then this last section of my hair is going to be the flat twist. Don't you see this? Fire, fire, give me just some fire, fire. Don't you see? Fire, fire, give me just some fire, fire. Okay. This is a little bit wet. This in the back is dry completely, so that's gonna be the difference in length for the time being. But I know when I was cutting my hair, I was gonna have 2 different textures. When I was doing those U-part wigs, this was like my leave out, so bam. And this was like my leave out too. I feel like I can tuck and pin this though. I'll probably just pin it in place. Probably try to scrunch the kind of straight ends in, so. But this is the look. Usually, like, if I'm not like really feeling the look, I'll just do my makeup and then all of a sudden I'm feeling a look. But guess what? I already have my makeup done, so this is the look. Oh, I can just pin this up. I used to do this all the time. Just pin this part up. Listen, if I cut it, then it's still gonna be stringy. So we just gonna just tuck and hide. And there we go. Intentional. I think this is a good first style after a big chop. Cause after a big chop or a haircut, you tend to want to play in your hair like a whole lot, but I think it's always best to kind of like put your hair in a low manipulative state, and that's what this is. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in right there. This actually is a really good edge control. As far as hold goes, it's called Edge Effect Professional Edge Control Gel. I don't know what the top is, but it came with a secondary top, so I just used that. May have thrown it away by mistake. So I'm just gonna comb that in. Okay, that looks like that's doing all right. It's got a little bit of a white cast on it, but that's just from it trying to mix with the gel and stuff. But I don't like to do too much of this because this will make my hair just, you know, dirty really fast on my hairline, where I have to use a towel to clean it off.